How do we find the distance between 2 points which form a line parallel to one of the axes? Consider this line which is in the first quadrant of the xy plane, and we are given the coordinates of the endpoints. The coordinates of its endpoints are 2, 2 and 5, 2. We need to find the distance between points A and B, which is the length of segment AB. Look at the coordinates of the endpoints. They have the same y coordinate, which is 2. What does this tell us? Let's think about it. It means that the line is parallel to the x-axis. So if we draw perpendiculars from the endpoints to the x-axis, they will meet the x-axis at points 2 and 5. Let's call them points C and D. That's interesting. Why did I say it's interesting? Look at the figure that's formed. A rectangle ABCD is formed. All angles are 90 degrees and the opposite sides are parallel to each other. So the length of AB is the same as length of CD. We have seen how we can find the lengths of segments which lie on one axis. Length of CD will be absolute value of 5 minus 2. It means that length of AB will be absolute value of 5 minus 2, which equals 3. So even if the line is parallel to the x-axis, the length will equal the absolute value of the difference of the x coordinates. Let's zoom out and look at another easy example. Say we have a line like this. It has endpoints P and Q with coordinates 5, 5 and 5, 1. The same x coordinate tells us that the segment formed is parallel to the y-axis. We need to find the length of segment PQ. With the same logic used here, we can say that length of PQ is equal to the absolute value of 5 minus 1. 5 and 1 are the y-coordinates of the endpoints of the line. This equals 4 units. So if the line segment is parallel to the x-axis, then its length is equal to the difference of the x-coordinates of its endpoints. And if the line is parallel to the y-axis, then its length will equal the absolute value of the difference of its y-coordinates.